Hi guys, on my last video I showed you how to convert a knee pedal to a foot pedal. I'm going to show you another way of doing it. I'm going to have, in my last video, I showed you this is your knee pedal and you push it down like this. And yes, I do have it unplugged. So right now, I'm going to show you another way of altering this into a foot pedal. Alright, I already know which one's my motor because I traced my lines and it's got a little thing coming off of it, so I will know which one goes in the motor and which one doesn't. But you trace the lines from the other end of the machine and figure out which one goes where, okay? Now, if you don't know how to trace lines, okay, and you get it wrong, if you plug the light motor, the light plug-in into the motor, your motor will keep running constantly, okay? But seeing as to how I've already traced my lines, I know because of this thing here, which one's my motor. This motor, it just plugs in like that, okay? And then this one plugs in. That converts it from what it used to be had to your regular foot pedal, just like this. And if I was plugged in, I could push on it and it would sew. But I'm not going to do that right now, okay? But anyway, that is the second way of converting a knee pedal to a foot pedal. So anyway, like my channel, subscribe to my channel, comment below. See you next video. Later, guys.